afternoon. Please welcome CEO and Head of Device Experience Division at Samsung Electronics.
I'm happy to announce that Bali, the smart AI companion, will be available in the first half of 2025.
Shit. Is there a year where CES ain't ever hectic? My fucking God, bro. So I'm here at CES 2025, and I've been here for like a little bit now. I just came back from the Samsung event. I'm trying to go over to Sony. It's like in a couple of hours. What time is it right now? It's like 2:52. So I'm finna slide over there in a couple of hours. The dude at Sony literally just hit me up right now talking about he's gonna be at the Las Vegas Convention Center. So, all right, bet. So we're gonna be over there. I got a press conference I got to go to over there, and I got like some other things. Like I said, PepCom I got to go to later at like, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, some shit like that. And this is the media day. So I came in late as hell. I was supposed to be here yesterday to go ahead and see CES unveiled, and I missed that, like with the new Galaxy books and all that new Samsung stuff and just all these other companies. I missed it. It's because I missed my flight and I should have been here, but I wasn't. So I went ahead and finally got here a little bit later. It was after a few delays and stuff like that, some shit that I was dealing with Frontier Airlines, because that's all I could get. And I mean, like, check me out, bro. I got my badge right here. We valid for sure. You see what I'm saying, man? Like, come on, man. So just stay tuned. I got some coverage coming out for y'all, man. I'm about to go ahead and get like whatever I could find. I'm trying to look around here, see all the cool shit or whatever else out here. So I'm trying to do what I could to see what I can find for y'all. And like, is there anything good? I saw Bali about to come out, so especially with that Bali shit, I know they was talking about like, they was kept bringing up Bali, but they were never really saying nothing about it until now. They finally said something at that Samsung event. So I'm trying to see, is that thing even like, I just want to see if it's gonna be good or not, because they said, I think Q1 of 2025, and it's Q1 now, ain't it? But yeah, my shoulders hurt, and I got more running around to do. There's so much shit I gotta go do, bro. It's so hectic at CES. It don't matter what year it is. Even like during COVID, it was bad too. Yeah, I was there during COVID, damn. And in case you wondering, I'm recording on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This shit go crazy, and I got the DJI mic on me. Crazy setup, crazy camera. It looks so good, bro. Actually, you know what? Nah, I'm going to the media room. Guarantee there's gonna be no spots around here. This shit's so fucking expensive too. I spent 30 bucks on a burger meal. On some, what was it, Johnny Rockets? It was 30 bucks for a Johnny Rockets meal. I got like a burger, fries, and a drink. 30 bucks is crazy as fuck. In case y'all was wondering what it's like behind the scenes, this is the CES media room. I mean, this is where a whole bunch of creators and stuff that I don't know probably be up in here, and like all the other people like CNET and whatever. We just be up in this room chilling. They be giving us free food, especially if you got like me, I got the digital content creator badge. So, I mean, people like that and media badges, it's a decent room. Say what's up. Trying to see if they got any free food left up in here. Damn. I think they smacked that shit. Damn, I think they smacked that shit. But like free Wi-Fi, you got drinks and shit, coffee. I don't drink coffee. I don't really fuck with coffee like that. I just take water. I'm straight with it. But yeah, gang, that's about it. All I can say is stay tuned for the CES coverage, because I got some shit for y'all.